Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my video. Today I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm, actually BoxyLuxe unboxing and review. And I've been wanting to do this video. I worked all day, but I've still come home and I'm going to do this video because I want to use this stuff in the box and I feel like I can't until I do the review. So here we go. Today is our BoxyLuxe package. I'm so excited. So first thing I'm pulling out here is the PMD Clean, and this is a pretty cool item, guys. This is like $100. I think it retails for $99. And even though I do have the Clarisonic, so I wouldn't have bought this on my own or even need this really, it is a cool item to have, and it pays for the box alone. Actually double. I mean, the BoxyLuxe is like 50 bucks, I think, and this is 100. So right there, that pays for the box. So this is pretty awesome. And it says it has 7,000 vibrations per minute. It's ultra hygienic because it's a silicone, easy to clean. It doesn't build bacteria as long as you keep it dry and clean. Powerful cleansing device with bristles, gentle enough for all skin types. It is AA battery, so you don't have to charge it up. You know, you just put your AA batteries and it's good until they die, and then you put some new in there. So I really like this. I mean, I'll probably use it just because I got it in the box. Why not? But yeah, so that is the first item I have here. Alright, so second thing out of the box is the BoxyCharm palette, which I think everybody got. It says, Hello Charmer. And there are some very cool colors in here. I'm excited about this palette. I really like the neutrals. I like the pop of color ones, like these orange and the bluish purple. I mean, on camera it looks more blue, but it has like this metallic purple in it that looks really pretty. I'm excited to use this. So, I mean, this is a good palette. I wouldn't say it's super luxe. I feel like this box isn't everything that you would want for like a BoxyLuxe. I just don't think the items are really, you know, that luxurious. But, you know, this is one that I chose, the straws. So I didn't have any options really. I just had this and like the Moroccan oil, which I already have that. So I went with this. I would have gotten the earrings if I really had the choice. And it's a nice little thin straw, gold. I like these though. I mean, a lot of times when I'm wearing lipstick, I really need a straw, and there's not always one handy, so I feel like this is good to have. And there's also a little brush in here so you can clean the straws. Thought that's pretty nifty. And I'll probably keep this in my car or maybe even in my purse. I don't know. So the next item here, this I also chose, and I'm excited for this. Even though it's like a mini curling iron, I still feel like this is useful for me when I'm at work and I don't have time to come home and get ready. I can just like touch my hair up really quick at work before I go out. So it's like a pastel, pretty yellow, and the head here, or whatever this is called, the shaft of the curling iron, it is a little smaller than what I'm used to. I like the big round, like inch and a half. But these are cute to do like little tight curls that'll kind of flow in with my loose curls already. So I'm excited about this actually. And I'm going to take this to work. And next item here, I have the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. Okay, this, I'm not really a big fan of like creamy highlighters, so I don't know if I'll use this. Oh, and it's like a roll-on. Okay, I'll probably give this as a gift, but it is cool for somebody that's like more on the go and they just want to brush some on, but I like my powder highlighters, and I have even travel size ones, so no use in using something like this. Plus, I feel like it stays sticky. Usually these, I need like a powder form because I'm already kind of oily, so anything that has like a cream base, if I don't put highlighter on top of it or some kind of powder on top of it, then it's getting sticky and oily anyway. So I'll give this as a gift, but it's still a pretty color. It's a nice gold color. Alright, next item here. I have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and the Coco Cabana Cream, which these are very cute, very small little sizes. I think I got a package, I think I got one before that it was like a full size, so these are probably just travel size. Coco Cabana, it's a repeat, but I like it, so I'm not too mad about it. I haven't tried this one yet, so we'll see how this is. I want to smell it, because okay, yeah, that's better. I'm not too crazy about the Coco Cabana cream. I'm sure a lot of people love that smell, but I don't really love, I'm not a big fan of that smell. So sometimes when I put it on my legs, I'm kind of like, ugh, what is that smell? So anyway, that's the little travel size creams. I'm excited about these. These are cool. Okay, so next item we have NARS, which is exciting that NARS is now collaborating with BoxyCharm, because I don't think that I've ever gotten a NARS product, and I heard that this is a brand new collab. So super excited that we're going to be having NARS products. This is the Powermatte Lip Pigment, and I think there were only like these dark bright colors, the options here. Yeah, this is kind of like a berry pink, which is not my favorite color. I just don't think it goes good with me, so I'll probably give this away, but I'm super excited to have NARS in the box now, and hopefully we'll be getting some, you know, cool products in the future. Alright, so the last product that I have here is the little Invisabobble hair ties. Not a super fan of these. I mean, they're still cool to have if you have, you know, like if you're at the gym or something, you want to just put your hair back loosely, I suppose. I don't know. I would rather just use like a normal, you know, everyday hair tie. But these, I feel like they stretch out and they don't hold my hair as securely as I like. I'm not a big fan of these, but I guess they're good to have, you know, in an emergency. Maybe I'll keep them in my glove box or something. But I feel like I've had them before, and they kind of stretch out and they lose their elasticity, and then they don't really hold my hair securely anyway, so I'm not really a big fan, but I suppose this is nice. It's so funny. It says the traceless hair ring. I mean, you can completely see that you have this in your hair. It's not invisible, really. That's funny that that's their selling point. So that's the box, and I hope that you guys like this video. I mean, I'm not really excited about this box, even though there are a few cool items like the curling iron and the PMD clean. I still don't feel like it is up to par with other boxes like the FabFitFun box, and you know, just other boxes that sometimes they get some really cool items. You know, it's not that BoxyCharm is not good and BoxyLuxe is not good. I just feel like this box wasn't the best, but you know, they've done really great in the past, and I'm sure they're going to do great in the future, and I'm excited about the PMD and the curling iron. So, alright guys, thank you so much for coming by and checking out my video. I really appreciate you guys coming by and checking out my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!